So the next stop that we have come to is Train Street. Like we have all seen on YouTube and other media, that the train crosses through a lot of shops. So when the train comes, the shops get aside, and when the train goes, then there are shops back on the track. So that's what we are going to see, I think, today now. So behind me you can see a lot of street food which we haven't seen yet in Hanoi so far, because we haven't been to those areas. So the rickshaws in Hanoi. So behind me is you see the track. This is where the train will cross, and that is where the market is. And we have a market that side. I'll turn the camera in a while. So that's the market from where the train will cross using this track. This is where the real action is of Hanoi. This is part of the old quarter. So we are going to sit here while the train comes. So we will wait for the train to come. So we could have gone to other restaurants inside, but then we'll have to wait and order for some drink here, coffee maybe, because our guide has a connection with this shop where we are sitting now. That is where Tommy is sitting with the guide, and Tommy is looking for air conditioning. So there are cafes on the first floor as well. So we could have chosen a cafe on the first floor. So everyone waiting for the train to come. The train street packed with tourists. Some people on the track. This cafe is called 76 Train Street, 74 Train Street. So basically the numbers are on the premise number. I think that's the end of the Train Street cafes. So I'm walking back to the cafe where we have sat. So everyone waiting for the train to come in. This is where the real action of Hanoi is. The old quarter, an ideal backpacking location. So after the train goes, we will go to a restaurant which the guide has set for us in the old quarter. So that's Wendy doing a photo shoot with Tommy. I have no idea what Tommy has ordered. Maybe I'll have to go and order for myself. So that's Wendy shooting Tommy. One more photo shoot happening here. So Tommy posing on the track. So Tommy has ordered for some cold, there's Vietnamese coffee, I think, most likely. There's some food. Hello. So there's a long stretch of cafes that side of the road. Maybe we'll try and go there after the train passes away. Cross. Sorry, that's the wrong this thing, but I can't edit this shot. That was a wrong commentary. Nevertheless. Ideal place to come at night when the lights are on. Maybe we'll try and do it tomorrow. So you can hear the train. Small. goes to Sapa. I forgot to ask from where to Sapa. That's the engine. And so the crowd is back on the track. So the road is also open and the crowd is back on the track. So just one event of a train passing by attracts so much of tourists every day, at least 5 to 6 times that the train crosses. So now we are off to the next stop, which is Old Quarter. So I'll see you there.